I have lived in a natural hygiene lifestyle for 17 years. That means I have lived by nature laws, understanding that what I do every day determines my health. So I sleep earlier with the sunset. I have dinner earlier with the sunset. I exercise every single day. I eat only what nature gives me, the way nature gives me, like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, only natural food without even cooking it. I get sunshine every day. I live among plants and animals. I try to live a non-stressful life, trying to avoid petrochemicals in my daily life. So, since the beginning, I wanted to do a 40-day water fast because I knew I had a lot of things to heal inside of me. And going through a long fast could actually help my body to regenerate the most as it could. And I already did 24-day water fast, 23-day water fast, 19 days, 15 days, but I could feel in my heart, I could feel in my body that a 40-day water fast could go even further in the regeneration mode, helping me to repair things that even a 20-day water fast couldn't. So now, almost 1 year after fast, I can thankfully say that I was right and that this fast made me a lot better in many different ways. I had gingivitis and it got completely healed. I can use a toothbrush as much as I can and there's no blood, even if I hit my gingiva. My back pains are almost gone forever. I feel more stronger, better coordination, better mental capacity. So the 40-day water fast was really something. And I share with you now a little bit of the breaking of the 39-day water fast. Actually, I broke 1 day before my goal, but there's a mental toughness to fast. And I can tell you later why I broke in 39. But watch me as I break my 39-day water fast. Only water for 39 days, and I break with a small piece of watermelon in Tanglewood Wellness Center in Costa Rica. So I hope you enjoy.
I'm crying like happiness. Oh, actually, it's a sad happiness cry because after being so sick when I was young, and I'm a strong guy, I've never cried. I'm not the crying person, but fasting makes us emotional because it starts to heal you not just physically but emotionally. I don't know, but after being so sick for my 22 first years, like always sneezing, fat, like having so many diseases, when I found natural hygiene and this whole natural lifestyle of fasting and living on fruits and vegetables, I swear myself that I was going to be the healthiest person I could be, because after suffering for so long, and after fighting what works, right? Like, this is the best thing ever. Becoming healthy and finding natural hygiene, like living on fruits and vegetables, living according with nature laws. It was the best thing that ever happened to me. And I promised myself that I was going to, spread this message, save as many people as I can, because I don't know, when you find something that really makes a difference for you and for the world, you want to share it, right? So my goal in life, and my goal became to share with many people as possible this this message because I think it would save the world and save the world, save the human race from suffering. So 5, almost 4 days to go. Pretty happy. Breathe deeply. I went up crying because it's such a beautiful process. It's such an internal process. It was such a dream for me to make a long water fast because I had such a terrible childhood, like so many diseases. So I wanted to heal my body, and fasting is like the most spiritual, the most inner, deep. Almost 40 days without eating, you create such a gratitude for life. I'm so scientific, I'm not the spiritual guy, but like after almost 40 days without eating, I'm actually breaking the 39. I didn't went to 40. I don't know, I felt in my heart, in my body that it was time to break the fast, that I shouldn't carry one day longer. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I should, but I'm feeling psychologically, physically that today is the day. So it's been such an amazing experience. The place, the people, they were so supportive. Everybody that is fasting here, everything. And you create such an amazing reverence for life. I'm loving the plants, the place, my life, to be alive, for nature to produce my food. It's so beautiful. Like nature gives us everything we need. It gives this beautiful like fruits and vegetables, so colorful, so delightful, and I'm glad that plants, God, nature gives us life. I'm thankful for being alive, and I can't be thankful enough. The only thing I desire from the bottom of my heart is the planet, human race, the animals, the plant kingdom itself, all life on earth can be prosperous, can be healthy, can be back again in symbiosis, because human race is destroying the planet without realizing. Human beings are killing themselves without realizing that they are killing themselves with food and separating themselves from nature. So my only wish from the bottom of my heart is that we can, as a race, come back to the Garden of Eden and live once again in harmony with nature and in harmony with our bodies. Eat the food that we were intended to eat, and use the medicine, fasting, as we were intended to do by evolution. So my deepest wish from the bottom of my heart, that is that all life on the earth can be loved and can be healed, because we become the sickest of the sickest animals in the planet without realizing it. And the answer is so simple. It's just look to nature and understand that this is the food. This is the way to heal ourselves. Thank you very much. choro de felicidade. Crying of happiness. Açúcar!
Do you want to know more about fasting? After 17 years of studying natural hygiene and lifestyle medicine and devoting my life to become as healthy as I could, the healthiest person I knew, and understanding all the biology, all the biological mechanisms, all the science behind not just fasting, of the science of health, exercise, nutrition, sunshine, all these lifestyle factors that interact with our bodies, I wrote Hygienic Fasting Nature Surgery. I'm pretty sure it's the most complete and most updated book on the medical science, the natural hygiene science and application, because hygienists have been supervising water fast for more than 200 years, and the most complete also in theory. So it gets into a complete book of more than 220 pages. Hygienic Fasting Nature Surgery is all available on Amazon, Kindle, or print on demand. So you can order your own copy and receive it at home. But if you want my help as a nutritionist, you can get an appointment or consultation online or in person here in Brazil. And we have 10 books published, but all in Portuguese besides the hygienic fasting. But they will all be published on Amazon pretty soon. We have 6 online courses also in Portuguese, but we have insight retreats where you can come here and spend 5 to 10 days in Brazil learning with me all what I developed throughout 17 years, not just science knowledge, but also culinary skills, culinary recipes, so you can apply that to your daily living. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications, comment below. Have you ever fasted? Have you never fasted? Are you afraid of fasting? Please comment. And also give it a thumbs up and click on these videos to know more.